Hey guys, Ed here, and today we have this beautiful Chrysler 300, and in this video I'll show you how to take off your front driver's side door panel. So let's start. Okay, now for this procedure you will need these tools: flathead screwdriver and Phillips screwdriver. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take a flathead screwdriver and carefully, try not to scratch stuff. We'll have to open this lid right here. Okay, this one right here. Gently open it up. Put it on the floor. Second thing, we need to get this cover out. So put the screwdriver in here and raise up. Okay, carefully. It will eventually come out. Just drop it here. Okay. Now, also we have a clip right here, but somebody already took this clip out. How do you take the clip out? You press inside in and then get the clip out. Now remove these two screws, this screw and the screw in there. Okay, we got screw out from here, we got screw out from here. Next step, we have to take a screw out from here. So it's a regular screwdriver, the Phillips screwdriver, get this out. Okay, now the door panel right now is being held down by clips all around the perimeter to the door. So what we're doing now, we're gonna unclip the door from the panel from the door. So I'm gonna put you guys here and we'll try to unclip some clips. Okay. 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 All right. So looks like somebody took this panel off before. Clips came out really easy. Now what you have to do, you have to just pull and raise up. Oh, no. We have to take the handle. So take a screwdriver. Carefully, try not to scratch anything. Get the screwdriver in and try not to break it. Little, nice and easy. Okay, here we go. This is what you have to do. Just get it out. Now you just spin it this way, and now let's raise up the panel. Let me see if the clips are out. Yes. And raise up. All right, raise up. And we are all set. Get out. Now the handle goes through, and let's disconnect this connector. And we are almost all set. I'm gonna need a screwdriver to open this one. Press here and pull. All right. Okay, we have the panel off. No, not yet. So many wires. Press and pull. You got it. That's it. This is how you take the panel off. Now, whatever you have to do, you have to do. You can get your handle here, speaker there, window motor, regulator, whatever you have to do, just do it. After you're all set and you've done whatever you had to do, it's time to put the panel back on. Make sure that there are no clips stayed in the door. Okay, so you have all clips here. If you lose some, if you break some, it's okay. You can live without a couple of clips with no problem. So let's put it back on. I'll put you guys here. You already know the process. Connect connectors. 1, 2, 3, Come on. Three. Handle. Let's get handle through the door or through the hole. And yes, here we're all set. Next step, what we have to do? We have to make sure this thing goes through this hole, and we're gonna raise the panel, and this slide goes in here. Okay, this is where this thing goes. So let's do this. Also, one more thing. Sometimes it's easy just to put the glass down. And then it's a little bit easier to put it on. Okay, so we're sliding this, and now we have to align clips here also. And click everything back in. Check, make sure the window closes nice. Okay, all good, no gaps. The door works. Okay, everything works. Open the handle. Okay, so we put the handle back in. All right. So get the handle screw in. Close it with the lid. Remember the clip. Put it back in. Take this thing and this two screws. So I'll put one screw in here, and the second screw goes in here. Okay, screw them on, and you are all set. Also, don't forget this cover later. So yeah, guys, this is the whole procedure. As you can see, it's not that hard and pretty much simple. So if this helps, please press like button and have a great day.